Here's what I know. I love cutting cheese with a good knife. And if it's not sharp enough, there's nothing more frustrating. So today we're checking out this new knife by Cutlux. It is a cheese knife. Now the first thing I like is how it's packaged. It's very nice presentation. Comes with a little plastic cover, slide that guy off, and then a little tip protection, which is a nice touch as well. Ooh. And it does have some serrated edges there, and you see the blade has some holes in it. I'm sure that's to make it lighter. And it's got a good weight to it. It's really good feel to this guy. So here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna compare this. This is just a random knife I pulled out of the knife drawer. I think I sharpened this recently. I don't know. We're gonna compare these. We're gonna do a little test. This is Irish Dubliner cheese. So you see, yeah, this knife is pretty sharp. I've sharpened it recently. But now let's give the Cutlux a try. Oh yeah. Interesting. Yeah, it's nice. It's easy to slice through it. Now it is a different type of cut because of the serrated edges. I'm thinking this might be better suited to different types of cheese. It certainly has a good look to it. I could see you putting this out like on a cheese board. It's very good looking. If someone were going to slice maybe a softer cheese like a blue cheese or feta cheese or something like that, I bet this guy would do the trick. Plus you have the little tips on the end so you could pick it up. Like if somebody were going to pick it up and put it on a cracker, this would be really great. Impressive knife. I really like the weight of it. I look forward to using it in the future. I recommend it.